Well, hello everybody. This is Reagan, your RV Traveler's Voice. And if you're like me, about this time of the year, this is just coming out of winter and we'll be spring soon. We are itching to get out and break Fred and Ethel free, our truck and travel trailer, and go camping. But first, there's some important things we need to do. Let's talk about it. Stick around and we'll show you.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
And before we hit the road, all of our travels this season, we need to take care of some important preventative maintenance. So today we're going to have our axles looked at. Actually, our bearings, get them all looked at, repacked, re-greased, and put back in shape for us. And also this year, it's time for our annual check of the brakes. So we're gonna have those checked out this time and see if it's time for new ones, for their replacement, if the shoes are worn, and if not, how much more time do we think we have on them if they're still in good shape. So I will say, when we put Fred away last year into the season, everything was operating fine, no issues with the brakes. They were functioning as designed and not squealing or squeaking or grinding or rubbing or anything like that. So we just want to make sure that they're good to go before we go. So stick around as we take Fred to a local shop here and excuse me, take Ethel to a local shop. Fred will take us and get Ethel's axles and bearings, wheel bearings, and brake shoes all checked out. All right, we made it here to Conroe Trailer Repair, a little local shop here that's gonna fix me up. Take a look at the wheel bearings, get them all cleaned up and repacked. Take a look at the brakes as well and replace those where needed. So we'll leave Ethel here for a couple of days for Mark and the crew to take care of her, and then we'll be back and ready to start our camping season on the right foot. Stay tuned. Well, we're back at Conroe Trailer Repair, where they've got Ethel in the shop, getting the axles all fixed up and the brakes all fixed up. So let's have a look.
Like I said, the shoes weren't too crazy. They're probably got 40% left, but the magnets were what really chewed up.
Yeah, and they had about, there's about 60, 70,000 miles on it.
Oh, yeah.
So it was time. And
It's about time.
see inside the hubs here, these are well worn down to the caps of the lug nuts, or lug bolts.
Canyon in there, just run your finger on it.
Oh yeah, lots of yeah, lots of grooving going on there from the magnet.
And once they start hitting the head of the bolt, that's kind of the end of it.
All right. And here's one of the worn down magnets. You can see the shoes themselves had a fair amount left on them, but the magnet grooving was what.
A couple of them are worse than the others. Like that one's pretty low. This one's pretty low.
Oh yeah.
You can see at the tops is where they get most of it.
Yeah, that shoe's pretty well worn down. And here are the drums again. One more time to look at those. And you can see the grooving that's going on these, and this one is pretty severe as well. So it's definitely time for new drums. Going back together. New hubcaps as well, new lug nuts, all new hub assemblies. So we'll be good to go for hopefully many more miles. And here we have the other side all put back together. Won't be long, it'll be back on the ground. And they're testing the brakes out here.
They do that by design. That other RV that's out there, we just upgraded them to 6,000-pound axles. Good.
All right, we got Fred and Ethel all hooked up. And we're gonna test out the brakes, see how they work before we hit the road. All right, here we are inside of Fred, and we're going to let it idle forward, pick up a little speed, and then test the gain on our trailer brake controller and see how it works. Okay, that's on full gain and it's still rolling, so we may need to have them adjust the brakes a little bit. All right, so with 100% gain on it, it still would not hold it, so they're going to adjust the brakes a little bit, and adjust the other side, get them adjusted to where the pads are just barely touching the drum. Special wrench to reach in there and make the adjustment. Finished checking in here on our brakes, giving them a good burnishing in, and we're going to get to idling forward at about 5 miles an hour, and then we're going to engage the brakes. And now they bring us to a full stop. So I think we've got them set just right. Ready to roll for this season. And we're wrapping things up here at Conroe Trailer Repair. Ready to get Fred and Ethel back on the road. All right, one final check after we've made our first road trip. And all the lug nuts are in place, all the hubcaps and the center caps all appear to be in place. This is on the driver's side, we'll go take a look at the passenger side. And coming around to the passenger side, all in place, all secure as well. The reason we checked this, the last 2 times we had our axles serviced, and both times, first few miles out, we had lost our dust caps and popped out those center caps on our hubcaps and destroyed at least 1 hubcap. So this one passed the first leg of our journey back to storage. We'll see once we hit the road. So that wraps up our little experience with some preventative maintenance before we head out to this season. Thanks for watching along with us. Many thanks as well to the team that got this taken care of. Mike and the crew at Conroe Trailer Repair got me back up and running and on to our next season of camping. Thanks again. This is Reagan, your RV Traveler's Voice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, ask us any questions that you'd like, and we'll get back to you when we can. Happy camping.